This is a how not to do a channel.
That's the one, yeah.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So me and Summer are taking off the rust of these and putting rust like treatment on it. So now we're just getting all the rust off like that, and you need to get this way. We might use some more, but that's fine. Just need to shake it. Just. And you just do.
So now we're just going to move on to this one. So Poppy have already rubbed off the rust, so I'm going to quickly do some painting. So let's get the paint and just wipe it all over.
It's technically paint.
Yeah, technically. Well, rust, like, so it stop rusting.
This side is all dry, and this side we're just going to do our other quick coat.
How are we going on?
Good.
Is this the second coat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure we're evenly spacing it on, yeah?
Yeah.
So like that.
Just look a bit more there, you can see it's thick at the box, rub it in. That's it, yeah. Rub it in. Perfect. So it's Sunday morning. The girls did a great job yesterday treating that rust on the bus frame. So we're down at B&Q, which is the only place open on Sunday, to go and get some wood to start fitting in the sidewalls. Now, we did come down here yesterday and get one bit of wood at 10 to 8 as a test fit, which fitted really well. I'll put a picture in here. So we're just down to B&Q now to go and get some more wood so we can finish that job off today and crack on from there. So go get in the trolley, let's go and find the wood cutter. Is that the right trolley? Oh yeah. Nicole's simmer frame. Now another reason why we have used B&Q for the wood is because they cut it for free, up to 15 cuts, and I only need 3 cuts. So it'll be straight without me cutting it. So we've used 9mm ply on the wall, on the walls, which is here. And then we'll get load onto here, go down and get it cut. So we're back at the bus, and these are the bits that we put in yesterday that I was on about earlier from B&Q. I was just doing some bits there. Obviously that's a new piece we just brought in, and it matches up with the measurements, that's good. So you get the rest of that in, then we can do the rest of this side all the way down. We'll put one bit of insulation in there. Then we've got to cut the end bits to make sure they fit in as well. But it's a good job. Well done, isn't it, Nicole?
It is.
So it's coming together nice now. All the wood's up here has just started to rain. This side's fully in, except from the end piece. We've got spare insulation as well, which is great, which we can use downstairs because we're using recycled bottle lids insulation in the roof. And we'll start applying that hopefully next week. So we'll get all these on the walls. That's another bit boxed off. So we've just finished the walls. I forgot to fix this out because I've got a problem there, but we can sort that. We're just waiting for the alert to go off It's like 1 minute to 3. Poppy's anxiously waiting. Are you anxiously waiting?
No.
What have I just done to you?
Face.
Sprayed her with expanding foam by accident. It's all over, isn't it? Yeah, all fun and games. Sam's here from Split Charge watching the F1, discussing roofing options, which I think we've now knocked off. It's all exciting. Watch it not go off on my phone.
Coming off now.
It's 3 o'clock, it's not gone off. Scandalous.
It's just like limit.
Are you waiting on your phone as well?
Yeah, well, I don't know either.
No, no one's phone's gone off. Well, that's disappointing.
How?
Oh. Oh no, that's an email. Who sent an email that time? Oh, here we go, look.
My phone's not gone off yet.
See, it's coming on my watch.
My phone's not gone off.
My phone's not gone off.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Sam's safe.
I'm safe.
You're doomed. Oi! Right, we're back. I'm doing something a bit different today. We're having some window tits fitted. Now, we want to take the windows out upstairs, but we're going to insulate them, board them up and hide them away.
This is how not to do a channel.
That's the one, yeah?
Roll it.
Okay.
Not too much.
You want to go me to go that side near the edge because you look quite panicky.
I'm not panicky. I'm smiling.
We're definitely not stood on top of a van.
No, no.
It's scaffolding.
It's a scissor lift.
It's a scissor lift.
That's the one.
Close enough. And if you hear us arguing, we're not arguing.
Yeah, it's aggressive debate.
It's an aggressive debate. It's fine. We'll call it the Chuckle Brothers.
Are you going to go more to the edge?
To me, to you.
Where to?
What is this? What?
Nothing.
Well, that's what it is.
So the windows are now tinted. So we've got this one, and this one, and then the same the other side, which obviously is where the walls are going to be blocked up inside. It's looking very smart. Thank you very much to Vinyl Destination. Details are in the comments below. Oh, in the comments, in the description even. And obviously it's blanked out. These ones here, and then into our bedroom. And as you can see, we have now got walls. So this week, sort of, didn't get the camera out and just started knocking walls up. So we remade the stairs one, which is now in solid. These ones are here, which are main walls for mine and Nicole's bedroom. Walk through the walkway. This is going to be our headrest board for the bed. We have lots of cupboards in it, storage behind, and build the bed off from that. So if we sit down here, it's starting to take shape. These aren't lined up straight yet. They're built, they're square, but I just need to, when I put the roof in over the next couple of weeks, make sure that they get drilled in square. Insulation's now here. So we'll crack on with that. And then we're on with another job up here as well. It's been a bit of a bitty video, this. Straight down here. Keep going, keep going. We've noticed that the floor comes up at the top. Now we're going to cover this front window up to make more space for the girls. So we're going to cut this out, cut the frame out, take it back to the bare metal frame of the bus and build basically a media wall in there, which is going to be in the kids section, which sits up here. So we'll crack on with that, hopefully in this video as well. Yeah, it started raining. It's a bit black. So we are just down the front of the bus. So this is what I was saying about. We've obviously got this space here. We're obviously going to put a media wall in for the kids. So we're going to cut the floor out. Then I can level this off and put some drawers in at the bottom for the kids, along with the sides with a telly in the front. So let's get cutting this out and see how it looks. So we're starting to win now. The bottom end, it's got dark very quick. Turn the light around, Phoebe. The bottom end's all cut out. So the next video we'll start making the media wall that goes into there to cover that up. We've had a bit of a tidy up. And then that'll be it. So this has very much been a very bitty video, just because that's how the week has been. We've done bits and bobs here, there and everywhere. Walls are going in, get that media wall done, that'll be all sort of the stud work done. The partitioning walls for the girls, we're using ply to partition them off, 18mm ply. So that'll be the last of the stud, which is good. Really randomly had a few pictures today from a subscriber, had a few spare stickers that stuck around Blackpool. I'm going to put the pictures in here for you now. Thank you very much for that. And that's pretty much it. I'm now going to go and hoover the rest of the bus up down this end to make sure that's tidy for tomorrow. And we'll crack on. Thank you so much for watching. Drop some comments below and I'll see you next week.